Got that one. Oh, he come off, didn't he? Oh, he did too. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try a different camera angle today. I'm not quite completely set up yet. I've got these poles that get ready to get some bait on them, set them down the hole. Let's see if we can go ahead and catch any big bluegill. I've already marked a few at the bottom over there on the fish finder. Fish finder's not really showing a lot right now, but I'm assuming they're down way at the bottom, so that's where we're headed. Got the one pole down there in the water, and as you can see when I drop that down, looks like I got two marks that come up. I got one set of fish that's sitting at 10 feet, and it looks like another set sitting at about 14 feet. I'm hoping that I've been catching them big gills off the bottom there. Looks like I got something coming up right now. Taking a look at it. See if I get bit. Now today's a perfect example of why you want a shanty. I mean, that wind is kicking out there. It's like 20-mile-an-hour gusts. It's only like 26, 27 degrees out, but you don't want to be out in that stuff trying to ice fish. Some guys do. I got a guy over here that's actually doing it right now, and some guys don't mind it, but not me. I'm gonna go ahead and set another pole up in this hole right over here. You probably can't see that in the camera. I got the camera angle in a messed up position, but I always do like to run 3 poles when I'm ice fishing. Listen to that wind. Finally got one. Alright, what do we got here? Bluegill. Alright, finally got one. It's a little guy, but dang, piece of skunk. Actually got him down about 14 feet. Go. There's a good one. It feels like a good one. Oh, not too bad. Got my other line wrapped in it though. It's actually not a bad one there. Not a bad one at all. About the size of my hand. Pretty good. Pretty good. We'll send him back down the hole. Got one. Oh, that's a decent one. Alright, there's another one. Decent size, but we won't keep her. We'll put her back. Now when I brought that one up, I got all sorts of tangled in all my other poles. There we go. Got both of them untangled. Cool, cool. That'll work. Oh, that looks like we broke my spring bobber on this pole, so looks like this pole's done for the day, guys. That pole's done for the day, so I always bring 4 poles. Got him. Finally. Oh man, the little guy. Little guy. Small one there, guys. Real small. Got one. Oh, feels like a good one. And it is a good one. Check that out. Check that out. That's not a bad one at all. Alright. Get back here. Alright. Probably the first keeper I've caught. Yeah, we'll go ahead and keep that one. That's a good one. Alright, done switched to one pole. This seems like the only one I'm getting any kind of action on. And I can see on the fish finder, fish are coming up and looking at it. Actually I got good markings right where that's sitting too. No, it's going back down now. Whatever was looking at, it's going right back down. Oh, here it comes, coming back up to it. And right back down. So it looked at it, it must have come back up and looked at it and then went right back down. There we go, got something looking at it again. Come on, just bite it. You know you want it. Come on. Got him. Feels like a good one. Oh, not bad. Wouldn't call that a keeper, but not bad. So there we go, guys. Got another one. We'll take that. We're gonna go ahead and let that one go, though. He's not as big as, not nearly as big as the ones I've been keeping, so we'll let him go. There we go. There's one. Feels pretty good. And it's a small one. A dinker. Little dinker. Let's use that guy as bait. Got him. Oh, small guy. All right. This is a small guy. Nope. Get back here. I'll let you go, bud. Just a small guy. Probably the last one I'll catch tonight. I'm going to go ahead and get packed up and get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys.